February the 16th, 2014. Guys, we're looking at Cetiae. You've got Mars, and at the top you've got Comet Linear finally showing up on the satellite, guys. This is the one I've done the videos on today and a couple days ago about us going through the debris trail. This is a close-up now. What you're looking at is the actual, this particular camera is like a negative. In the top right, you see the white and red. The white is the comet. In other words, the light spot to the left is the actual comet, just the way this works. But how would you determine the size? Guys, it's big, and I'll show you how you will determine it. It's not as close to the sun as it's going to get. This is the JPL model on it. Notice today's date, February 16th, in the bottom right in the black box. Now, we're going to play this forward in time, show you a couple things. It's already made that arc, and it's starting to dive. Now, it's not a sun diver. This is a Earth diver. Closest approach to sun will be on May 6th. That will be probably the most stressful point on linear, other than maybe the gravitational tug as it comes over Earth. Now, it's going to pass just over us and then cut a path right through the Earth's orbit. In other words, it's going to run right out in front of us. Then we're going to be dealing with that debris stream from May the 23rd through the 25th, 30 hours. Now, this is the location of Cetiae camera in the red square. Just kind of flip this back up and out. Linear is the furthest object. You saw Mars there. Venus is coming in, and Venus is kind of blocking Earth from Cetiae. It's real bright in the way at the angle, but in the next few days that will change. But it's the furthest object from the camera. You saw Mars in that dot. It appears to be that large or larger. And look at it. It has not developed a large outer coma yet. We don't know what that size will be because, again, it's not a sun diver. You see the arc. It's not going to dive in and wrap around the sun the way iSun did. But we've seen comets like this come over in these arcs and reach a stress point and disintegrate. Comet Holmes did that, the one that looked like it was a pregnant burst. Remember that, guys? Holmes did the same thing. Now, again, the 23rd is in the red arrows. 24 starts there at the black where it says the 24th of May. Notice we enter the debris field before that during the 23rd, and we go through it through the next point there, right into the edge of the 25th. Notice the coloration. It's kind of like storm clouds, except the orange is the thickest part of the debris field. Again, that's about an 8 or 12 hour ride through that section. But again, we're passing right through it, guys. It's not way above us or anything like that. This is a direct sweep. But we're going to keep an eye on this thing, guys, and we'll have a lot better images each day and an update on this thing. But you can see from the JPL models how they predicted it. Now, it's not predicted to hit Earth as far as the main nucleus. If that holds together, we'll be simply dealing with a debris field. But again, May 6th will be kind of a critical day to watch because, again, closest approach to the sun. Don't forget, though, as it passes over Earth, it's going to be in a magnetic line with Earth and Mercury. So we'll see if that affects anything. But this is the beginning of the coverage on linear because it may be one of the most important comets in modern history. Close approach to the Earth and the possibilities that could lie within this debris field, guys. Heads up, be safe.